Ever pondered over the various ski slopes nestled within the heart of Termas de Chillán? This snow-clad paradise in Chile offers an exhilarating array of slopes, each presenting a unique challenge for ski enthusiasts. Dive into the world of white winter bliss, where ski slopes are not merely inclined surfaces, but a canvas where each skier paints their own unique experience. In Termas de Chillán, you'll find this canvas stretched out in three main categories, each offering a distinct level of thrill and challenge. Firstly, we have the beginner slopes or the green runs. These slopes are perfect for those who are just getting their ski legs. They are gentle and wide, providing ample space for skiers to maneuver and learn the ropes of skiing. The beauty of the green runs is in their simplicity, yet they are a crucial stepping stone in the journey of every skier. Next, we have the intermediate slopes or the blue runs. These slopes are a step up from the green runs, offering a bit more of a challenge. They are steeper and may have more obstacles, making them ideal for skiers who have a firm grasp on the basics and are ready to take their skills to the next level. The third category is the advanced slopes or the black runs. These slopes are not for the faint-hearted. They are steep, narrow, and often filled with obstacles such as trees and rocks. The black runs require a high level of skill, and they offer an adrenaline rush like no other. But that's not all. Termas de Chillán also offers off-piste skiing, a chance for the brave to venture away from the groomed runs and carve their own path. These areas are unmarked and ungroomed, offering a wild and thrilling experience for advanced skiers. In summary, Termas de Chillán offers a plethora of ski slopes that cater to various skill levels. The green runs offer a gentle introduction to skiing, the blue runs present a moderate challenge for intermediates, and the black runs provide an adrenaline-filled experience for advanced skiers. And for those who crave a wilder experience, off-piste skiing is the way to go. So whether you're a newbie finding your balance, an intermediate honing your skills, or a pro skier seeking adrenaline, the ski slopes of Termas de Chillán have a thrilling adventure waiting for you.